Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix WLAN connection in Windows 10 guys. Let's fix that issue. For that, go to search menu and type control panel. Open it. In here view by two large icon, select it, and in here you need to select the device manager, click on it. In device manager you just want to expand the network adapter section, Intel gigabyte network connection, right click on it and click update driver and click search automatically for drivers. The best drivers for your device are already installed. You just want to search for updated drivers on Windows Update that can actually have Windows updated driver guys. If you have anything listed over here like this, you just want to download and install it guys. And I show you guys how to download using internet. For that, right click on the Intel gigabyte network connection and click update driver and click here guys, browse my computer for drivers, locate and install the driver manually. Click on it. Let me pick from available drivers on my computer. Click on it. Click next. This will download using internet or driver guys. It will download and install using your internet. And Windows has successfully updated your drivers. And close out of here. Oh, one thing I need to say it guys. In Windows Update, you just want to anything listed here, you just want to update all of these and you should good to go guys. After that, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.